Hello children, let us bake a nice walnut cake today. As you know that Mother's Day is around the corner, so I want all of you to help Mama make this cake, or you can even give Mama a surprise, ask your Papa to bake this cake with you, and you can really make Mama happy by baking this cake for her on Mother's Day. So now let us see what are the ingredients required to make the walnut and banana cake. I have taken 3/4 cup of sugar. This is castor sugar. 3/4 cup of wheat flour. 3/4 cup of flour. Two ripe bananas. I have mashed them with the help of a fork. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Half teaspoon of vanilla essence, some walnuts, these are crushed walnuts, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And this is and I've also taken half cup of oil, and this is my mold, my baking mold in which I'm going to bake the cake in the oven. This is a sieve through which I'm going to sieve the flour, or both the flour, the wheat flour and the flour. And these are my measuring spoons, and this is a whisk to mix all the ingredients together. Children, now you know what all ingredients and how much and the quantity of the ingredients that we are using to bake the banana and the walnut cake. Now let's get started with mixing all the ingredients. And before that, please remember to ask Mama to switch on the oven at 180 degrees to preheat it. It is very important to preheat the oven before we bake a cake. Okay, now we are first going to start with mixing the dry ingredients. So I'll take the flour. This is the wheat flour. I'll add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And I'm going to sieve all the dry ingredients. Children, now that I have sieved all the dry ingredients together, now let's move on to the next step, which is mixing all the wet ingredients. So first we will take the mashed bananas, the sugar, oil, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we are going to mix all this together. And we are going to take help with this. We're going to use this whisker to whisk everything together. You have to whisk it well so that all the things, the sugar and the oil and the vanilla essence mixes properly with the banana, with the mashed bananas. Now that you have whisked all the wet ingredients properly, the next step will be to mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and with this we are going to do it gradually. We are going to gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and keep whisking it so they mix properly. Mix them properly so that they don't form lumps. You can ask mama to help you. Children, I have transferred the batter into the baking mold. I'm going to sprinkle some walnuts. You can even add the walnuts while you are whisking the ingredients. But I'm putting it from the top, on the top of the cake batter, and my oven is heated for 170 degrees, and I'm going to put this into the oven for 40 minutes to bake. Okay children, it's been 40 minutes. Now I think it's time to let's go and check the cake, the banana walnut cake. See, it's cooked now. Now we have to turn it in a plate, take it out in a plate and cut it into slices. Ready, and I have taken it out on a plate. Now we're going to taste it and see how. Before you cut it, you must ensure that the cake has cooled down. It's nice and fluffy. It's nice and soft. Now you must try this cake with your mama and give her a surprise, or you can try baking this cake with your papa and give mama a surprise. A very happy Mother's Day to all the mamas and happy baking.